Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Slack app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you just click here on notifications, click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, you come here to announce and Huddle calls. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean announce Huddle calls disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.